Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their SII Smart Label Printer 100 SLP-100, the ABLEGRID AC adapter. This isn't just any power supply, it's a specifically designed replacement unit that promises to keep your label printer running smoothly and safely. One of the first things that stands out about this ABLEGRID adapter is its claim of being a replacement product with tested units in great working condition. This immediately instills confidence, suggesting that you're getting a reliable alternative to your original power supply, especially if that one has gone missing or stopped functioning. It's always a relief to find a dependable replacement that you know has been put through its paces. But what truly makes this adapter a standout choice, particularly for those who travel or operate in different regions, is its incredible worldwide voltage compatibility. With an input range of 100 to 240 VAC at 5060 Hz, this power supply is ready for action almost anywhere on the globe. No more worrying about voltage converters or carrying multiple adapters when you're on the go. This single unit has you covered, making it incredibly convenient for international use. Beyond its global versatility, the ABLEGRID adapter prioritizes safety, which is absolutely paramount when dealing with electronics. It comes equipped with a trio of crucial protection features: OVP, OCP, and SCP. Let's break those down. OVP stands for Overvoltage Output Protection, meaning it safeguards your printer from receiving too much voltage, which could otherwise cause serious damage. OCP, or Overcurrent Output Protection, prevents excessive current from flowing to your device, protecting against potential overheating or component failure. And finally, SCP, or Short Circuit Output Protection, is there to immediately cut power in the event of a short circuit, preventing hazards and protecting both the adapter and your valuable printer. These layers of protection offer significant peace of mind, knowing your equipment is well guarded. The adapter is designed specifically for the SII Smart Label Printer 100 SLP-100, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. However, it's always wise to double-check your printer model against the listing before making a purchase, just to be absolutely certain of compatibility. It operates as a corded electric power source, featuring a standard 2-pin main power connector type, which is common and easy to use. In essence, the ABLEGRID AC adapter for the SII Smart Label Printer 100 SLP-100 presents itself as a robust, reliable, and remarkably safe power solution. Its global voltage capability combined with comprehensive safety features makes it an excellent choice for anyone needing a dependable power supply for their label printer, whether at home, in the office, or while traveling internationally. It's a practical investment that ensures your printer stays powered and protected for all your labeling needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.